Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change ringtone sounds on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the sounds and haptics. Then in the sounds and haptics, go to sounds and haptic patterns section, then click the ringtone. In this section, if you want to play your sounds with ringtones, you can choose different kinds of sounds in this part. If you want your sounds play with ringtones, you can select Apex, Bacon, Bulletins, By the Seaside, and etc. And if you want your ringtone play with only alert tones, you can select in this part like Aurora, Bamboo, Chord, Circles, Complete, and etc. You can select it by pressing this kind of alert tones. And that's it. We have successfully changed our ringtone sounds on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.